Michigan, 5:12 now as we wake up on this Tuesday morning, and it will be a fairly tranquil Tuesday. Clouds on the increase with morning sunshine fading away. Temperatures this morning are down in the single figures, so it's a cold morning, but clouds will be on the increase as some slightly warmer, but definitely more active weather gets set to move in, and that will come in with some snow late tonight into the day tomorrow. Arctic air returns as we head into the latter part of the week. In fact, temperatures will turn sharply colder starting Thursday. Temperatures outside this morning: 0 Mount Pleasant, 10 in Grand Rapids, 6 in Kalamazoo, 7 in Battle Creek, and you factor in just a teeny tiny little bit of a breeze out there this morning, and we have wind chills also in the single figures. A few spots have been back and forth between single digit and below 0 wind chills this morning. So the bottom line, bundle up as you head out the door. As we look at the regional view, you can see not much going on until we get into central and western Minnesota. That's when we've got the precipitation moving in, and you see that it is not all snow. In fact, we've got an area of freezing rain from South Dakota into Minnesota, where we've got a freezing rain advisory posted, and you definitely see that winter weather advisory up from the UP back into sections of Wisconsin, all of Minnesota included in that, and then back into the Dakotas. So a widespread storm system which will be coming in our direction. The short term, though, again, starting out this morning with quiet conditions, clouds on the increase this afternoon into the early evening hours. Little light snow late tonight, a little more light snow coming tomorrow. Not much in the way of accumulation, maybe a couple of inches at the very most. And as that storm system continues to press eastward, it will open the door for that Arctic air to settle in. And boy, I'll tell you, it is going to get cold around here. High temperature of 17 on Thursday with a low Friday morning of 20 degrees. Another clipper system comes through and enhances some snow showers. Again, that will be primarily lake effect and lake enhanced. So along and west of 131 is where we'll see the most significant accumulation. Temperatures outside in the teens all weekend. Single digits, I'll tell you, we could be looking at near record-breaking cold over the weekend, with temperatures finally back into the low 20s for highs by early next week. Meteorologist Matt Kirkwood analyzing the upper level support for this cold air. And Matt, it looks like a big conveyor belt of really cold air.
Yeah, this isn't going to be a quick shot of Arctic air then out of here. It looks like it has some staying power. I like that 8-day forecast where the high on Saturday is 14 degrees. And then the temperatures fall during the afternoon, and we'll likely see at least a chance of some record low temperatures on Sunday morning. But let's go beyond the 8-day forecast, and I wanted to show you this is going to be quite a cold February as it looks. Now we're going to February 17th through the 23rd, next Tuesday through the following weekend, and not just below average temperatures, much below average temperatures across the Great Lakes and really a large portion of the eastern half of the United States. And once again, the warmth off to the west. Average highs by this time of year, climatologically, they are climbing, but our temperatures are going to be cold, so keep that in mind. In terms of precipitation, it looks like much of the country will see above average precipitation, but here in the Great Lakes, kind of musha, not much going on in terms of that one way or another, but you can expect lake effect, you know, when you have temperatures below average. The lakes are not going to be completely frozen over, exception of Lake Erie at that point, but it's going to be interesting after this long duration Arctic outbreak what the ice levels are going to do on the Great Lakes. We'll visit that coming up in another week or so.
Watch that one closely.
You know what you didn't do for me? The sun totals.
Sun totals?
Remember we spoke about that?
Sure.
But see, I feel like it is cut over several months. Like there was a little bit toward the end of December and then the beginning of January, and then it was pretty gray.
Right.
And then we've had like yesterday. And
It was wonderful. In the afternoon, yeah, it was beautiful.
And today will be nice as well.
yeah, so I don't know if that will show up in your numbers. I just feel like we...
Oh, they always show up.
Okay.
Yeah. Although it tends to be we go through these extremes.
Yes.
So yesterday, for example, we had all those minutes of sunshine.
Right.
That will counteract all the cloudy weather that we had. And so it ends up they'll be like, oh, it was average. Well, it really wasn't average.
Right.
But it just kind
feel
of
like it.
ends up mathematically averaging out to be that way.
All right.
5:16, if you have